Welcome back, YouTubians. Gary VW Jawbreaker. Today, we're going to continue tearing down the new Hot 1915 to see what the hell's going on. And a surprise. What could that be? Stay tuned. Alright, well, engine is on the stand. Haven't really done much other than take some tins off and also drain the almost brand new oil out of it. That sucks. Flywheel off, clutch off. I haven't even really started cracking into it yet. So I promise you, once we start cracking into it, we'll bring you guys back and we can see what the heck's going on inside together. I'm interested to see. Are you? Well, as you can see, we got a couple boxes here. Can you see what it's from? It's from CIP1. Why? They had the best deal, awesome Christmas special.
And why not? I needed parts. Gotta save money where you can.
Am I sponsored? Hell no! Have you seen the size of my channel?
It ain't crap, Jack.
We're gonna leave this box for later. So we're gonna have a part 2 to this. So we'll set that one over there. This one, handle with glass.
No, glass, handle with care.
That makes more sense. All right, let's...
Where the hell did my knife go? Let's dive into this, see what we got.
All right, let's dive into this box and see what we have. Hey guys, check this out. Flip-flops. Aye, not barefoot. All right, so it says glass, handle with care. You know, I don't think I've ever done a package opening on YouTube before. This is sure interesting. Check it out, guys. Cardboard. I've always wanted that. Man, this is awesome. It's like Christmas. Except it's past Christmas. Hey, check it out. Invoice. You ready? Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see it. Do you know what it is? You have any idea? Man, this is awesome. Even comes with the dowel pins. This is an actual Autolina case from CIP1. It is their aluminum, bubble top, stroker, yada 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 yada, aluminum case. Why aluminum? Because it's shuffle pinned. Because there's lots of reasons to go aluminum. Yes, it's a little heavier, but being in a bug, it's not going to matter. Holy crap, this thing comes with all the hardware on it. Okay, this is actually impressive. It has all the hardware already on it. Check this. All your bolts, nuts. It's got case savers, 8mm studs. It's actually an empty case, but it's Autolina. That is pretty impressive. All the hardware already on it. Got your studs, everything. It's already tapped for full flow. There's your inlet right there. It's plugged. Your oil galleys have been drilled, plugged. It's a little heavier, probably 15-20 pounds heavier, so they say. Yeah, everything is looking really nice. So that's the plan, guys. We started off with a crack case on the 1641 that actually cracked down in this area here. So we went with the other case that was used. It was a we went up to the Hot 1915. Now we got problems with that case, I believe. It's just easier to go ahead, spend the money that I don't have to spend, and just go ahead and build it right, get it done. I really see no other option. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. Well, I was not going to pull this apart, but I can't help it. Let's go ahead and start pulling this case apart. let's check it out inside, see how it is. All right. Now, let's take a look inside and see what we got. All right. So as I said before, everything's shuffle pinned. Okay. What that means is normally you have O-rings that go right here around your main studs. These pins actually go down into here and help keep the case locked up, lined up. That's what shuffle pinning is. And it looks like, yeah, it's already been nice and clearance for up to, I believe, 86 stroke. So that's nice. The cam I'm running actually has, it's been stroked as well, in clearance for stroke. Everything looks really nice. Not seeing really a whole lot of anything. It's got the grooved cam plug, so that's nice. I can use the same cam plug. Impressive. Well guys, that's the half the secret. I'm not telling you the other half just yet. But what I plan on doing is go ahead and pulling the plugs out of the oil galleys, go ahead and blowing all that out, solvent, compressed air, make sure everything's good and clean. Other than that, I think we should be pretty much ready to start assembling and rocking and rolling. Alright, everything's tore down to the short block. Saved you all the boring detail. Case spin's nice. Really not sure. I guess we won't know until we get on in there and figure out what's going on. Got my lifter clips in since it's, again, only 90 miles on this stinking thing. I guess there's really nothing left to do than just go ahead and start taking it apart and find out what the hell's going on. It's honestly really aggravating.
Alright, we'll go ahead and pull all the washers off. I'll go ahead and hit the 6 mains in the center. No, it's not working off. There it goes. Alright. Now it's time for mains. I put a little bit of that Permatex aviation sealant around the studs just to keep it from leaking and providing quite fun to get the washers off with that on there. Also dropping stuff all over the place today. Alright, we're going to put the case splitting tool over here where the oil pump goes. Alright, everything's off. We can split it apart, see what's going on. Oh, that's where my oil leak was coming from. Oh, gasket off the strainer. That might help. I'm not too worried about reusing this case. Alright, it's loose. Is it? Is it? It is. Alright, without further ado, let's see what the hell's going on.
Huh. All the bearings are spinning. Alright, let's get you in here so you can see this. Hold on, pivot. Alright, so that's definitely not good. Here's the nose cone that was in question. It's definitely a little loose. You can see some scoring. Almost looks like it's been spinning. What we'll go ahead and do, back you up a little bit. Hang tight. Go ahead and pull the cam out. Shut that off to the side. Lifters look nice. They really do. And then we'll go ahead and take the crank out. I'll sit on the bench, see what's up. Alright, here's the nose bearing. Everything looks alright. It's awful loose. I mean, that scoring on the top does not look very promising. So after further inspection, I think what happened is the dowel possibly jumped out. My phone went off, and the bearing actually spun in the case. We know the bearing definitely spun in the case due to that and the discoloration here on the crank that was not there before. It's a good thing I pulled this motor out. It's a good thing I went ahead and pulled it down. You know, it's one of those things. You use an old case, sometimes you take a gamble. You know, like I said earlier, we learn together, we figure things out together. Got the new Autolina case that has been stroked for 84 crank, opened up for 94s, full flowed, shuffle pins. I'm not dealing with an old case anymore, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do this right. So we'll catch you on another one here soon. Start prepping and go ahead and get this thing going for real in the new case. And I got a surprise for the new case. We'll catch you guys soon. Be good to others. Be kind. We'll catch you on the next one.